Let's talk about why international frameworks and governance models matter and how they actually work in practice. Basically, these structures are the backbone for countries and organizations to tackle big global problems, think climate change, trade disputes, human rights issues, and more. Without some sort of shared system, it would be almost impossible to get everyone on the same page. So, what exactly are international frameworks? They're formal agreements or sets of rules that countries sign up to, usually created by big institutions or groups of states working together. For example, you've probably heard of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, UNFCCC, which sets the ground rules for countries dealing with climate change. There's also the World Trade Organization, WTO agreements, which help keep global trade fair, and the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, which lays out basic rights everyone should have. These frameworks spell out what's expected, what everyone's aiming for, and how to hold each other accountable. Now, governance models are all about how these frameworks are put into action. The way things are managed can look very different depending on the issue and who's involved. Sometimes you get intergovernmental organizations like the UN, World Bank, or IMF, where countries make decisions together through official channels. Other times, you see multi stakeholder initiatives like the Internet Governance Forum or the Global Fund to Fight AIDS, tuberculosis, and malaria, where governments, businesses, nonprofits, and experts all have a voice. There are also public private partnerships. Think of governments teaming up with companies to roll out vaccines or build infrastructure. And don't forget regional organizations such as the EU, AU, or ASEAN, which help neighboring countries cooperate more closely. For these systems to really work, they need to be transparent, inclusive, and adaptable. Everyone needs to know what's going on, have a chance to participate, and trust that decisions are fair. Of course, it's not always smooth sailing. Countries may disagree, power dynamics can get tricky, and sometimes rules aren't enforced as well as they should be. That's why ongoing reforms and new ideas are so important. Global challenges keep evolving, and our governance models need to keep up if we want international cooperation to stay effective.